Hey folks, it's Jacob with Chris Smith's office. Today we're checking out 60 Carolyn Court. Now this is a really cool property because it exemplifies just how much property you can get in Arabi for just over 300 grand. So let's pop over there and see what we got. We got a pool, we've got tons of space that I wouldn't even know what to do with, but if you've got a larger family, it could work for you. Let's go check it out and let me know what you think. Alright folks, this week we've got 60 Carolyn Court. We're on a quiet street here. Now I really wanted to do this walkthrough just to show you how much home you can get in Arabi for $309,000. This is a very spacious home. We're talking over 4,100 square feet of living space. It's priced at about $75 a square foot. And when you compare that to Uptown or the French Quarter, you can see there's a huge difference. I mean, some places in the French Quarter you'll even see upwards of $600, $700 a square foot. Here's this kitchen. Absolutely gorgeous. And then you've got your washer dryer right through here. It's really a very well done home, and it just goes on and on. They're using this as a pantry slash mudroom, another refrigerator. Here you can look out this door to see the pool. Here's a bathroom. Now I'll take you to see the bedrooms, and then we'll make our way upstairs. So this is also a pantry and washer dryer. So there's the big pool right there. It's got Flagstone patio around it. Really a good looking place. So we've got 3 bedrooms just over here in this wing, and they're kind of separate from the main living space, which I like. So if someone wants to go to bed, they don't have to put everyone else to bed too. Here's a bathroom. And you know I like this. Alright, so they got this configured as a kid's room. And then over here is your master. Massive walk-in closet. Makes that bed look tiny, just how much space there is in this room. Here's another bathroom. Alright, so now we'll make our way upstairs. And they really did an exquisite job upstairs. Oh, by the way, I love these thermostats. Just looking at it makes it light up. 67, 65. You know what? I'm going to go right back up to 70. So we don't bother anyone. Alright, so let's go upstairs. This place is also outfitted with a state-of-the-art alarm and camera system, so really a very secure house. There's cameras all throughout the outside and on the bottom floor. Here's an office space. Another closet here, pretty high-tech. And some games. And now you've got this huge upstairs. They're kind of configuring this as a kids area, but it's really rather large. I mean, you could do a lot with this space. And that leads down here. Here's some attic access on the left for even more storage if all this storage in the home isn't enough. Here's another full bath. Now I'll show you all this back patio and pool. So I love this flagstone here. Oh, and it started to rain, but walkthrough Wednesday is rain or shine, folks. Here we got all 3 air conditioning units. And this big flagstone patio with pool. Here's the back of the home. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. And I hope this video finds you well. Please feel free to reach out to me or Chris Smith directly about this property. Either message me under the video or give Chris a call at 504 231-2004.